Hello guys, this is Ben from WordPress.com. I'm going to present you how we use WebHarvy to collect our target customers' websites, phone numbers, and also company names from Kompass.com with your keyword search on that platform for your target customers, for your target website, or say your target market. All right. First, input your target URL here. And wait for a moment, it's landing the page now, and you will see that this is 0 companies. This is a failed video, but I still want to show you this failed video. The reason why, because I want to present you why this video failed, because I scraped too many times from this platform, so the RP was blocked. That's the reason, right? But I still want to show you the whole process and present you a truth. The RP will be blocked if you scraped too many times from Kompass.com. Okay? First, input your keyword here, for example, car. If this is your keyword, and you will see there are so many companies. Okay? If you need distributor, okay, service provider. If you don't want producer company type, okay, do not choose it. And then scroll down. We will find this page, close it. Okay, start. Configuration. This is company name. Yeah. Okay. We will see 20 company names will be collected. And if you click website, it's blank. Okay, no worries. Capture HTML. And this is the website. Okay. 20 websites, company names, and the company names will be collected. You also can try to find phone numbers if you would like to do that. Okay. And scroll down to the bottom. Set as next page link, which means pagination. Very easy, right? Stop. Which means the whole crawling process was finished, and start mine. We can mine all pages. This will be a failed video. This will be a failure. But I still want to show you this failed video because the RP was blocked. Because I scraped too many times from Kompass.com. So if you need to find your target customers from this platform, at the very beginning, few times, try to find the exact keywords, right keywords. Do not scrape too many irrelevant keywords on that platform. Okay, at a very short time. If you want to try again, if your IP was blocked, you need to try it maybe in a few days later. Okay. Let's see how it will be failed, the crawling process. Start. It's landing the page now. WebHarvy Miner. So quick. This is the first page. Companies, names, and the websites. Second page, loading now. Okay, very quick. This is the second page. Let's see the third page loading now. Page 4 loading. Okay. Page 5 loading now. Okay, let's see how many results will be collected. Okay, it stopped. Why? Because the RP was blocked. Okay, this is a failed video. I want to show you, and I also want to share you If you want to find your target customers from Kompass.com, try to get right keywords at the very beginning. A few clicks, right? At the very beginning, try to find the right words. Do not script too many times at the very beginning, because I scripted too many times at this platform. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. And also, by the way, more professional customer development tools, professional tools from WordPress.com will be provided with a very lower price. Alright? Thanks for watching and see you next time. Thanks for your support. Okay? Thank you so much.